Hello class, and as you are looking at this video, it is probably late Monday evening or Tuesday or throughout the course of the week. This is going to be the final official video for this course, which is wrapping up our Spring 1 semester. So I'm not going to elaborate on terms and definitions so much. What I'm going to do is I'm going to cover the things that you need to know in order to successfully complete this course. So the first thing that we want to do is we want to look at week number 7. And this is the week that we're in right now, as week number 7 has started today, which happens to be Monday, March the 11th. What you're going to do is I have discussion boards. There are 2 discussion questions that's going to be due Thursday night, this Thursday night at midnight. Give your initial responses. And then Saturday, you have an ethics and vendor assignment. Okay, so what I want everyone to do is the name of the restaurant that you have created and the assignments that you have completed from weeks 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Okay, we're talking about ethics. I want you to establish a rule of ethics that you will have for your prospective vendors. What are you going to have them sign? So it's kind of like drawing up a contract in so many words. I want you to come up with 10 rules and be specific in the wording of the agreement. And you can submit this in either Word or PDF format regarding the rules that you're going to come up with your vendors that you happen to enter into a contractual agreement with. This is going to be due coming up this Saturday at midnight. This Saturday, you will complete that. Now, moving forward, very important, you all, as I made the announcement already within the course shell yesterday, in terms of what you need to do to successfully complete this course and the due dates. You got to stick with the due dates and submit everything on time. This is the final half week right here. Now, this is what you're going to do. First thing you're going to do is, I do have a discussion board. There's one question. You will reply to that by next Monday, March the 18th. Also, take the course survey, which is available here in the course shell. Complete that by next Monday, March the 18th. And the next thing that you're going to do is the final exam. Now, the final 2 items are important. And the reason why I say that is because a lot of your grade, when it comes to the weighting of the grade, the points are assigned to the final exam as well as the final signature assignment that you're going to be completing in this course. So you want to take the final exam. That will be by next Tuesday. Next Tuesday at midnight is the deadline. No late submissions will be accepted. That is the absolute cutoff time to take the final exam. And it's already available within the content here for week 7.5. If you click on the content, you will see that the final exam has already been dragged over and created, and it's been made available for you to take. Then, of course, the assignment, which you should have been working on a few weeks prior. Okay. It is the purchasing process. Now, read the instructions, class. You have to follow instructions. The name of the restaurant, and I may have referenced this in prior weeks regarding the final assignment. It has to be called Quest Cuisine. Follow the instructions. Do not call it anything else. All right, this is an assignment that I created. And what you're going to do here is you're putting together a PowerPoint presentation. And these are the areas, the criteria that you're going to cover right here and that you're going to include in the PowerPoint. It's pretty much a summary of everything that we've covered over the last 7 weeks. You're putting it in a final project. And these are the instructions right here. This is going to be due next Tuesday, okay, at midnight. Again, no late submissions will be accepted. I mentioned to everyone when I actually made the post, the announcements in the course show yesterday, that I would definitely be following up with a final instructional video to inform everyone of what's going to take place over the next week and a half. Okay, so everyone, you have your action items. Feel free to reach out to me. My office hours, okay, are still standing this week in terms of what you need to do to successfully complete this course if you have any questions. Another thing that I want to mention as well too, do not submit any assignments if you have not done so already from weeks 1 through 6. I will not accept them. We have officially cut that off. Okay, the cutoff date has been set. Even though, okay, the assignments are available to upload documents, I haven't closed them off yet. I'm letting everyone know from weeks 1 through 6, I'm not accepting any assignments. Focus on week 7 and week 7.5. That's where we're currently at right now. Okay, everyone, that's going to wrap up this video. For those that are going to be continuing on in the 2024 fall semester, I wish you well. And of course, definitely, you probably have 15-week courses you are taking that are not over yet. And you have about a month and a half left before those courses end. Okay, I wish you well in your endeavors concerning that. And then also for those that are at completion, that are going to be graduating, that are going to be completing your program, I want to say congratulations to you and good luck as you enter into this world and you pursue your ambitions and your dreams, as well as your quest in terms of what you want to do for a career. Okay, everyone, that's going to wrap up this video. It has been a pleasure to be your professor for this course. Professor Javier Black out.